How to fix Twitter privacy settings on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter privacy settings on any Android phone. First open Twitter and now click on your profile and then click settings and privacy, settings and support, and here we'll find settings and privacy. Click on it. Now all you need to do, just click privacy and safety, and as you see here you can manage your privacy settings, and that's it. Just manage here anything you want. You can just click this one and here you can manage it, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.